How are you all guys? Sophia, Veena, Dhalakshmi, Suhasini, Varshini. All of you join fast, guys. We will wait for 2 to 3 minutes and we will start the class. Okay. So is there anyone who is making brownie or bento cake today? Okay, so first of all, we will start making with brownie. Is there anyone who is making? Reply fast, everyone. Is there anyone who is making brownie? Why, guys? Why you are not making? Only one student has shared the muffins picture with me yesterday. And what about you guys? Why you are not making? Okay, so let's start making. So first of all, we will take the dark compound chocolate. This is dark compound chocolate. Okay, I'm using. Okay, so I'm using this Mode dark compound chocolate. So 60 gram of dark compound chocolate we need to take. We need to take 60 gram of dark compound chocolate. So I have taken here 60 gram of dark compound chocolate. After that, we will take butter. So you need to take the butter at room temperature. The butter should be at room temperature. So 43 gram of butter we will take. 43 gram of butter we will take. And now we will take a bowl in which we will take a hot water. We will melt the chocolate with the help of double boiler method. So this is the bowl in which I have taken hot water, salted butter. I am taking here salted butter. So we will keep our bowl over the hot water, and we will chop into small pieces so that it will melt easily. So this is called double boiler method. If you don't have microwave, or if you don't have a light power cut is there, so you can use double boiler method. Now we will keep it aside till it gets melted. Just wait a minute, I am coming. So we will melt it, okay, with the help of double boiler method. You need to melt the chocolate. You can see it gets melted. So this is the easiest process from which you can melt your chocolate and butter. So in the very first step, you need to melt dark compound chocolate and butter. In the second process, what we will measure? We will take a small bowl and we will measure sugar. काव्या, मैं अभी ब्राउनी बना रही हूँ. आई एम मेकिंग ब्राउनी. तो हम लोग शुगर मेजर करेंगे 50 ग्राम. ठीक है. 50 ग्राम ऑफ शुगर वी विल ऐड. Fifty gram of powdered sugar you need to take. Now we will take one egg. One egg ले लेना है हमें, and we will beat it. We will beat one egg, and in between we will add sugar. So this is one egg which I am taking here. Now we will start beating it. हम लोग इसे बीट करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. And in between we will add sugar. So here I have taken powder sugar. In between we will add. Okay. I'm beating at the speed of 6. Okay, 6. We will beat it for high speed. Okay, for 3 to 4 minutes till it gets fluffy. इस तरह से जब तक ना हो जाए आपको बीट करना है. And without this instrument, how to do other method. Okay, you can beat it with the help of this hand beater. Okay, but it will take time. You need to do hard work for that. You need to beat it for more time, like 5 minutes. You need to beat. Keep patience, Varsini. You will get the answer. Wait for the every wait for the every process. Okay. So now we will check our chocolate is melted or not. Yes, little by little you can add. And those who don't want to use egg, you can try curd. Instead of egg, 10 gram of curd you need to take. Okay. So now we have taken here chocolate. You can see it is melted chocolate. So we will mix the melted chocolate with egg and sugar. Okay, egg and sugar के साथ आपको melted chocolate add करना है. Now we will mix it well. अच्छी तरह से mix कर लेना है. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल मेजर ऑल द ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट। सारे ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स को हम मेजर कर लेंगे, ठीक है। इज देयर एनी डाउट टिल नाउ? किसी को कोई डाउट है? इज देयर एनी डाउट गाइस? तो 36 gram of 36 to 37 gram of refined flour we will add. Maida we will add 36 to 37 gram. After that we will add cocoa powder, that is 5 gram. 5 gram of cocoa powder we will add. After that we will add vanilla powder. So this vanilla powder will skip the smell of egg. Okay. Don't forget to use vanilla powder or vanilla essence. Otherwise the egg smell will come out. So 2 gram of vanilla powder we will add. After that we will add a pinch of baking powder. A pinch of baking powder we will add. And now we will sieve it. हम लोग सीव कर लेंगे इसे। And we will mix it well. अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लेना है। 10 gram of curd. 10 gram of curd you need to add. All of you, whenever you will make this recipe, please share the picture with me. Okay. Now preheat your OTG for 10 minutes. 10 मिनट के लिए OTG को preheat करना है. You need to preheat your OTG for 10 minutes on the lower rod at 180 degree. Those who are making in convection microwave, you need to preheat it for 150 degree for 7 to 8 minutes. Okay. Yes, I already told you, instead of egg you can use curd. 10 gram of curd you can add. So we will make it in the round mold. You can use Varshini. I am making a brownie. So we will grease it. Then we will dust it. So at last we will add dark choco chips. A 5-inch mold you can take. 5-inch of mold you can take. Okay. Now we will grease it. sorry, dust it with the refined flour. So like this, you need to dust it. Instead of butter paper, you can use grease and dust method as well. Now we will bake it at 180 degree for 20 to 25 minutes. At convection, you need to bake it at 150 degree for 20 minutes. 20 minutes तक आपको बेक करना है, ठीक है? गैस पे भी 20 मिनट्स पे चेक कर लेना आप लोग. यू कैन चेक इट आफ्टर 20 मिनट्स. 20 minutes on gas. 20 minutes, guys. 20 minutes on gas. Okay, so here I have taken whipping cream. लेते हैं ना whipping cream. Now we will start making bento cake. Okay, हम लोग अब bento cake बनाएंगे. Is there any doubt in brownie? Brownie में किसी को कोई doubt है? Okay. So this is the whipping cream I am using it. This is the Tropolite whipping cream. So always keep your whipping cream in freezer. Freezer में हमेशा रखना है. Before beating it, half an hour ago आपको बाहर निकाल के रखना है. You need to keep it outside before half an hour ago. So this is the whipping cream. We will start beating it. So the your whipping cream should be in liquid form. इस तरह से होना चाहिए. Like a milk. Milk के तरह होना चाहिए, एकदम liquid form में. So first of all, we will beat at slow speed for 1 minute. After that, we will beat at high speed. Just wait a minute. Let me beat it. After that, I will tell you. So in summary, it is difficult to beat your whipping cream. For beating it, you need to maintain a temperature. Okay, आपको टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करना होगा एटलीस्ट 18 to 19 डिग्री. ठीक है. So you can see we need to beat it little more. The cream is not falling down. It means, and it is little bit soft. Okay. So 90% cream is beaten. Now we need to beat it for 2 to 3 minutes so that it will be stable. Okay, so like this we need to beat it. Now we will add color in this. हम लोग color add करेंगे cream में. So we will add blue color. So we will make blue color bento cake. So I am adding blue color in this. So 4 to 5 drops of blue color we will add. Yes, right, Veda, you are right. Okay, now we will beat it. Okay, now we will stop beating it and we will keep it aside. Is there any doubt till now? किसी को कोई भी doubt है? You can ask. No needed to add sugar. Starting point in whipping cream you are asking? Okay. So this is the sponge which we have prepared yesterday or day before yesterday, right? So whenever you will make a sponge, you need to keep it in refrigerator. You can use it for 4 to 5 days, but you need to clean wrap it. Clean wrap करके आपको इसको store करना है. So we will use this sponge. First of all, we will cut the top layer. टॉप लेयर हमें कट कर लेना है. And we will cut it into bento shape. So this is the bento ring which we will use for making cake. So we will cut it into this shape. इतना ही छोटा हमें कट कर लेना है. We will remove the sides. You can see it easily get removed. I have taken Propolyte whipping cream. Okay. So now we will remove the lower layer also, because you can see it is little bit crispy. So when you will taste it, it will not look good. So we will remove the lower layer also. So like this we will remove it. Now we will take a base. हम लोग बेस ले लेंगे एंड ओके फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल कट इट इनटू लेयर्स. हम लोग इसे लेयर्स में कट कर लेंगे. ठीक है. तो वी विल गिव इट टू 3 लेयर. 3 लेयर में हम कट करेंगे. Like this you need to cut it. Is there any doubt guys? किसी को कोई डाउट है? You can ask. I have taken Propolyte whipping cream. I have shown you before wetting it. Now we will take a wetted tissue and we will keep it on the cake turntable. Okay. Otherwise, your base will move here and there. Now we will keep our base here. And now we will start doing icing. So first of all, we will apply little bit of cream on the cake base so that it will not move here and there. So we will take it and we will place it over. Now, if your sponge is not soft, you can use sugar syrup. अगर आपका sponge soft नहीं है, आप sugar syrup भी use कर सकते हो. ठीक है? Now we will apply the cream. And we will spread it. Like this we will apply. You need to keep your knife at one place and you need to move your turntable. Now again we will give the second layer. And again we will apply the cream. This is the third layer. And now we will do the crumb coating. थोड़ी सी क्रीम लेकर के हम मिक्स कर लेंगे. ठीक है. You need to spread it all over. We will take a knife, comb, and we will give it to a shape. We will remove the cream because we are doing crumb coating now only. Like this we will do on the top. Now we will keep it in fridge for 5 minutes so that it will set properly. फ्रिज में हम रख देंगे 5 मिनट्स के लिए ताकि अच्छे से सेट हो सके. ठीक है. Is there any doubt now? If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. And let me check the brownie whether it is baked or not. How much cream you took? Beat it. Actually, I have taken cream in huge amount because there is an order also. So I will beat it more. I have beaten it more because I need to make it in the blue color as well. Okay. Half kg cake के लिए 200 gram of cream you can take. 200 gram of cream. Let me take out the bento box. Is there any doubt, guys? If you are having any doubt, please ask. And how many of you are participating in the giveaway? Giveaway में आप लोग में से कौन-कौन participate कर रहे हो? How many of you are participating in the giveaway? Veena. So Veena, what you need to do? You need to share all the reels which I have reels and posts which I have shared every day. Okay. And you need to tag it. Tag me. Varsini also you need to do the same. Try to share in your WhatsApp as well and send me the screenshot. ठीक है? Is there any doubt, guys? Okay, so let's complete our cake. To mix it once before applying the cream on the cake. क्रीम को एक बार अच्छे से मिक्स कर लीजिएगा बिफोर अप्लाइंग इट. So we will apply it on the top. And we will spread it. अच्छी तरह से हमें स्प्रेड कर देना है. Now we will apply on the sides. Whenever you will make bento cake, try to take the base bigger. Okay, bigger size में base लीजिएगा so that it will easy for you to apply the cream. Now we will take the comb and we will give it to a final touch. We will remove the excess cream. Excess cream हमें remove कर देना है. Now we will give the touch up on the top. So we will. This is the edge knife. Okay. So we will clean it on the top. इस तरह से टॉप पे आपको क्लीन कर लेना है. Where there is less cream, we will apply it. Where there is more cream, we will remove it. Yes, this is whipping cream. If there is less cream, we will apply over there. Okay. So like this you need to do. And now we will make dougal on the top. Okay. So for that you need to melt the chocolate. आपको chocolate melt करना है. Before that we will place it in the bento box. हम लोग bento box में place कर देंगे. Okay, so this is the butter paper which we use for बेंटो केक. हम लोग बेंटो केक के लिए ये बटर पेपर यूज करते हैं. So this is a bento box. We will apply it over here. And now we will take our cake and we will keep it. So gently you need to move, take your palette knife inside the cake like this. And simply you will keep it over. इस तरीके से आपको प्लेस कर देना है. ठीक है. Now just give me a second. Melted chocolate, dark compound chocolate I have taken here. You can see. We will mix it well. And we will fill it. Okay, we will fill the chocolate in this piping bag. And we will take a scissor and we will just make a hole. Okay, पतला सा एक होल बना लेंगे. And now we will make doodle on the cake. I'm very bad in drawing, guys, but let's see whether I'm able to make it or not. So like this, we will make doodle on the cake. Okay. So, and your cake is ready. How is it looking? Your bento cake is ready. You can do the dripping as well from the sides. साइड्स पे आप ड्रिपिंग भी कर सकते हो या फिर हैप्पी बर्थडे भी लिख सकते हो. तो लाइक दिस यू कैन मेक योर बेंटो केक. ठीक है, इस तरह से आप लोग बना सकते हो. एंड योर बेंटो केक इज रेडी टू ईट. यू कैन ट्राई इट एट योर होम एज वेल. घर पे भी ट्राई कर सकते हो आप लोग. ठीक है. तो नाउ वी विल कीप इट इन फ्रीज सो दैट इट विल सेट प्रॉपर्ली. ठीक है, फ्रीज में हम रख देंगे ताकि अच्छे से सेट हो सके. ओके, लेट मी शो यू द ब्राउनी. ब्राउनी में आप लोगों को दिखा देती हूँ. Because it is very small in size. If you want to order small cake, you can order it like this. You can. That's why it is called bento cake. For 1 to 2 hours, you need to keep it in fridge. And this is your brownie, guys. This is brownie. So we will demold it when it will become cold little bit. थोड़ा सा ठंडा हो जाएगा तो हम लोग इसे demold करेंगे. This is your brownie and it is ready to eat. So that's it for today's class, guys. We will meet tomorrow at the same time, and if you are having any doubt, you can ask me. ठीक है? All of you, please go and do share your feedback on the Instagram in the comment section. Okay? आप लोग सभी लोग कमेंट में अपना फीडबैक शेयर कीजिए. ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज, वीना, स्वप्निका, वर्षिनी, अर्चना, नौसीन, सुहासिनी, धनलक्ष्मी, Vida, all of you please do the comment, give your feedback in the comment section. All of you please do it. As well as please share it with your friends and families, those who are interested in bakery. So thank you so much everyone. We will meet tomorrow. Okay, at the same time.